The Canon PowerShot ELPH 360 HSA stands out with its 20.2 megapixel back-illuminated CMOS sensor and a versatile 12x optical zoom lens, making it suitable for a range of everyday photography scenarios. Its slim, lightweight design ensures portability, though the plastic build may not feel as premium as some metal-bodied alternatives. In well-lit conditions, the camera delivers decent image quality, but performance can drop in low-light situations, with increased noise and slower autofocus. Connectivity is enhanced by built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, allowing for easy sharing and remote control, although some features from the previous model, like direct Wi-Fi printing, have been removed. Compared to its predecessor and many modern smartphones, the ELPH 360 HSA faces stiff competition, especially given its higher price point and limited manual controls. For casual users seeking a simple, pocketable camera, it remains a convenient option, but enthusiasts may find its capabilities restrictive. Those looking for better performance or more advanced features might consider exploring other compact cameras or smartphones with superior camera systems.